Many of folks still do not know how to download the latest and greatest Windows 11 Pro for Workstation. You have got good spec and still you are using Windows 11 Pro, then you are not utilizing the true potential of your hardware. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you're watching Technoholic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 Pro for Workstation. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so here you can see my computer screen and let me type here Windows 11 download. And please follow us along so that you do not miss any step. So now here we need to select this option, which is download Windows 11. And here is the place where most of us make mistake. A lot of folks select this option, which is Windows 11 installation assistant. Do not use this, okay? And do not use this one as well. We need to go with this option, which is Windows 11 disk ISO image, and select this Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. Now after, click on confirm. Now here you need to choose the product language. I'm gonna go with English, and then let's click on confirm. Now after, you need to click on this 64-bit download, and there we go. The process of download has begun, and you will be noticing that the download size is slightly higher than as expected when we go for other option. And the reason why is that, because it's going to cover all the different variants or edition of Windows. And while this is going downloaded, I'm going to let you know this is not straightforward as other steps or other methods are. So you require to download another software so that you can create a bootable drive. And one such software is Rufus. So simply type in Google Rufus and then go here and download this small package. So here I'm gonna go with this portable one. So let's click on this and download this small software. And all you need to do is you need to run it as administrator and open it. Now here we have opened this software, and now let's again wait for the Windows setup to get downloaded. Okay, so there we go. We have successfully downloaded Windows ISO. Now let me click here on open folder, and here it is. Now again, let me click here on Rufus, and then I would suggest you to insert your pen drive to your computer. If you have already connected, then that's even great. Now from device, you need to select your pen drive. So here I have selected. Now from boot selection, let's click here and make sure you select this disk or ISO image. Now click on select. Now I'm gonna locate this ISO file where it is in my system. Now let's click open. Now here, in case of Partition Scheme, please make sure that it is GPT, because GPT is newer scheme. Now all you need to do here is you need to click on start. So let me click on start. And then here we also have option to remove the requirement of 4 GB plus RAM or secure boot. So if you are planning to install Windows in a system that doesn't have that kind of spec, then you can keep this option checked, else you can uncheck this. I am also unchecking this option, which is removing the requirement of an online Microsoft account, and then let's click OK. Now let me click yes, and then again click OK. Now all we need to do here is we need to wait till the Rufus does its job. And finally here the status is ready, which means that we have successfully created bootable drive. Now all we need to do is we need to close. And in this way guys, our pen drive is ready to boot. All you need to do is you need to connect your pen drive to the computer in which you would like to install this Windows 11 for Workstation. And here I already have connected my pen drive. All I need to do is I need to press this power button, and then I need to press delete so that I can boot into BIOS. And there we go. Let me set up my boot priority here real quick. So I need to look for pen drive, and here probably it is. So I just changed the boot priority. I'm gonna press F10 and then I'm gonna save it. So here are the changes that I'm gonna do. And now this time I'm gonna boot from my pen drive. And there we go. So here we have an option to select the language. Let me quickly say next, and then I'm gonna say install Windows 11, and then I agree everything will be deleted. Now here you can enter your product key. I'm gonna say I do not have right now because I would like to try it. And here finally you can see all the versions of Windows are available. So from here you can choose for Windows 11 Pro for Workstation, click on next, accept terms and condition, and then that's how you're going to start your setup. And now it's going to search for the disk, and then you need to choose the disk, and that's how you can install the latest and greatest of Windows 11 Pro for Workstation in your system. I will not go further from this step because the thing that we wanted to achieve is achieved. Like we got option to install Windows 11 Pro for Workstation. So that's all I have for this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then make sure you subscribe to Technoholic for more such content, and I will see you around.